Okay, I got a great idea how we're gonna find my stolen car. We'll throw a car wash free for stolen cars.
And then when we find it, we'll actually charge the guy.
Well, none of these is my car, but we promised these scumbags a show.
Love is like a bomb, baby, come and get it on. Living like a lover with a red iPhone. Looking like a tramp, like a video vamp. Demolition woman, can I be your man? Yeah! So come on, take a bite, shake it up, break the bubble, and break it up. Pour some sugar on me. Ooh, in the name of love. Pour some sugar on me. Come on, find me up. Pour your sugar on me. I can't get enough.
Hey, Chief, we could arrest every single car thief in Springfield.
After the show, Lou. After the show.